Calm down. Open your boot.
Sir? Why are you here?
No.
Open your boot.
I'm fine.
A boy.
Open your boot.
Stop shaving. Go and open your boot.
Hello, sister.
Hi.
Sister, policemen just stopped me on the road now. They said they want to search my car. They want to search. I don't know if they are planning to take me to jail.
Hey.
Biko, sister, please talk to them. I told them you're a senior officer in the system. Biko, Officer Matita is on. She's a madam in the police force. Biko, sister, please hold on. Officer.
Hello?
Biko.
Morning, sir.
I told you.
Okay, ma. Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. You can go, sir.
I told you. She's a senior officer.
You can go, sir.
You see?
You can go.
I told you.
Thank you, officer.
I told you.
Thank you.
Soldier was attacked. The herdsmen were many. The youths ran away. We called old soldier. Old soldier, come back. He refused. Old soldier, come back. He refused. They killed him.
No, Papa. Papa. Papa.
Old soldier.
Wake up! Papa, wake up!
Hey!
Papa, please wake up! Papa! Papa, please wake up!
My brother is gone! Old soldier is gone!
We are calling you.
Hey!
Old soldier, come back! Old soldier, come back! Now you have died. Belugo is into soya. Yalla, get him. Old soldier. Huh? Oh, Begun.
I want him in a
Babe, I'm tired. You need to see the way a boy was shivering.
Hi, God. What kind of a person is that? Why was he shivering?
Wait, does it mean if he doesn't have sisters, he cannot take care of his problems? Ask me, oh. Ask me, babe. Eh? He can never be a man for once. I am tired. I am fed up with that guy. I can't continue like this. Eh? It still baffles me how he makes his money. That guy is so weak. I can't. Now I know why his relationship doesn't last up to 6 months. Once any babe he dates discovers his weakness, will cheat on him, then his sisters will step in and break them up. It's better for him to grow up and become a man.
Nebiko, I need to go and rest. Because what I saw today, hello man. I need to go. Wait, what is it? Are you okay? Jamike again.
Grandmother is dead.
I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm so sorry. Stop crying. It's okay. Take it easy. Please. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Oh.
okay. It's okay.
Jamike, be a man. Eh? You don't have to cry too much. It has happened. Your father died a hero.
What kind of hero was he, Uncle? Don't tell me that. What kind of heroism was that? How can all the youth in the village run away and allow old men to go to war?
Your father was very stubborn. Norma here will bear me witness. We'll try to save him, but he wouldn't listen.
Papa!
He said those soldiers don't die. Even Okoye will bear me witness. He was the one that came and called him. They attacked 2 days ago. Yesterday they came back again. And look at what happened.
I swear if nothing is done about this, I will set this village ablaze. But the cattlemen and the villagers, I will set everybody aflame.
No, my son. No, don't do what your father did, so that what kill your father will not kill you.
Okuliti, you just shut up your mouth now, eh? I'll strangle you now. You have put it on any death. You want me to kill you?
Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. You want to kill him? What's wrong with you?
They have killed my brother. That is what is wrong with me.
I want to kill him. Leave him alone now, Jamike. Look at me now.
They have wasted Papa's life like that, and you are telling me don't.
Commit murder. Look at me now. Because they are no Nambiko, no Wambiko, no what to say. Oh, soldier, where are you? Always in the old soldier now. Wow. Hey!
Mama, I don't understand this. Why would your sister not call you on time?
I've already spoken to them about it. You need to stop crying. We've passed that stage. The only problem now is how to bury Grandma. Where does one raise the money for the burial from? Muan, as the first daughter Zada, I am meant to bring the largest amount of money for burial.
Mama, stop disturbing yourself. You cannot kill yourself because of this. After all, you have a brother that's the eldest son. He should bring the largest part of the money.
Your uncle? Does he have anything? Your uncle has nothing. Eh? That is the problem. Hi. If only I had a rich son-in-law. I wouldn't be talking like this. The man would have just taken care of all the bills now. There won't be any suffering. Maggie, I begged you to marry that man then. You refused. If you had married him, I won't be complaining now.
Mama, you want me to marry a rich man so that if Grandma dies, he will give you money? Okay, let me ask you. What happens to me after the burial?
If you want to give him now.
Mama, this is not fair. Let her do what she wants to do. She is in love with Jamike.
Ha! Love, because that love will die. What are we talking about? See how Jamike's father died. That's how he died. And I can assure you that Jamike will die the same way.
Mama!
That family is too noisy and you're not going to marry into that family. In short, I want to advise you to start thinking of how to let that boy go. How to tell him that it is over.
Mama!
Oh,
Mama, I don't want this anymore. It is better we discuss it here and now. Can you forward it? Mama, you want me to get married? I also want to get married. But how can I do it, Mama? Tell me. How can I get married when these two will not get off my back? When they keep distracting me? Eh?
Look at who he's talking. A boy.
Hi, Chineke. Osia boy! Mama, you did not tell her? Because Sister Golibe, for your information, that name is now invalid. Do you understand? Mama, you know I informed the village town crier to inform everybody in this village. Whoever calls me by that name, a boy again, will be punished. From now on, my name is Patrick.
Papa Mpam.
Ipa. A-B-O-Y. A boy. A-B-O-Y. Oh, what have you? A boy. Have you forgotten that it has not been long you stopped bathing outside? Ichefugo. Ichefugo mbe na agba ọtọ ịpụta iyipu dross. Na akwa mmiri mbịa m were aka na-asa gị m kwụkwara gị n'ike ebe niile m na-asa gị. Have you forgotten? Now you are a big boy. Ika wa boy. A-B-O-Y, a boy. A-B-O-Y. Oh, hell, a boy. Now listen. Why I am telling you this is that we don't want any woman to maltreat you. We don't want that. Eh? Big woman.
Mama. Are you both listening to him? Eh? Hey. Look what a boy you. Small a boy. Golibe. See, let me make this as a note of warning to you. A boy. We are your family. And we love you so much.
Mom.
We are here to stay and follow you up until you're in a good hands. And you know that you're the only son that we have. But it's okay. If you want us to stay away from you, it's a wadiro. But don't you ever call me if you have issues again. Don't try it.
Even me, don't even dial my number. Don't call me. Wait, hold it.
Hey! As big as I am, you want me to start begging you? Please don't call me. I will not call you. I will not call any of you. Nigodi. Don't call. Who even called you in the first place? Did I call any of you? Mama, you called them here. Biko, whenever I call you, do not answer me. Do you understand? I will never call any of you.
What am
I calling you for? Stay away from my business, especially when it has to do with my women. I'm a water. Stay away from my business. Get it for it. I am a man. Get for it. I am a man.
Man. Sit it down. Sit it down.
Sika, how did I meet you? I was running to the house now to come and meet you.
That's not why you're panting like this. Now. A boy's mother, I saw her on the road. She said I should come and call you. A boy is back.
Oh, wow. Since when?
I don't know, but he came along with his sisters.
Hey, go. Okay, in that case, let me go back home and get my Bible.
No. Auntie Chika, you don't need to go and get your Bible. You're okay like this. You know how important this marriage is to the family. You know how happy we will be if a boy gets married to you. A boy might not waste time in the village, oh. So just go like this, you're fine. Go. Now go. You know this marriage will be the best thing that ever.
Calm down, I know, I understand.
Calm down.
But calm down, okay? I'll go home, let me go get something ready, then I'll go back to their house.
Are you sure you will?
I will. But point of correction, don't call him a boy, he's brother Patrick, okay? But just go home, let me go home and get my Bible.
No problem. Are you sure you are coming?
Yes, I'm coming. Pull yourself together.
And Chika, make sure you go.
I will. Calm down. What's the problem? Go.
Okay, now tell her that you are coming.
Yeah.
Becky, where are you going?
Mama, I want to see Jamike and his family. I need to sympathize with them.
Really? As what? As their wife or what? Your grandmother's corpse is in the mortuary. You're going to sympathize with somebody. Mama, why would you say a thing like that? Why would you compare someone's father to someone's grandmother? Your grandmother. My mother. So what are we talking about? If I Gigi.
I'm just going. You're just.
Thank you, my love. I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How is your mother?
Well, she's there. She's good, though. She's there. What can we do? I heard what happened, so I came to sympathize with you. Mama, you don't know?
You're welcome.
Ndo. Kasi. Ewo. Mama, Ndo.
He makes me cry the more.
You don't know where Yaka be.
I'm trying to jide myself. I'm trying.
You don't know where Yaka. Oh.
The painful thing is, if only I had a son-in-law that would help me, I wouldn't be crying like this. Hey.
Mama.
Do you know how much we need? Let's go to burial. 1 million naira. If I had a son-in-law, whether rich or not, as long as there's money, I won't be complaining.
Mama, why are you talking like this now? Why am I here? We can sit down and discuss these things and see a way to.
What about teaching your cash? It's not only on.
Yes, so we can discuss about it.
Let us see. I'm going to sit down. Come and sit. Sit. No.
I'm not called on a Tom. No,
May the peace of the Lord be with you all. Adonne, Golibe, you guys are here. Good evening.
Mama, oh Chika.
Oh, yeah, no.
Chika, Imakaze.
Thank you. The Lord has been faithful to me in the village.
Chika is a born again. Mama. In fact, Chika and Jesus is like this. When she speaks one like this, Jesus will answer. Peter! Very home-trained child. Very nice daughter. She has been helping me, washing my clothes, washing if we can come and everywhere to the chaplain, it's Chika.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
So I invited her to come so that you people will see her. I want your brother, Abo, to marry her. Chika, go inside and wait for me. You will see those clothes on the bed, my clothes. Help me to fold them. You know that?
So, Jamike, you said you're going to help me on this burial issue.
Although Becky and I are not married yet, but there's nothing the son-in-law can do for you that I will not do. I just need her to be happy.
Thank you very much.
No, don't mention my love. It's okay. You don't have to thank me. I'm doing what I should do. Okay? So, Mama, I have decided to support you with 800,000 naira.
What? Jamike?
Yes.
No, listen to me. You don't have to do this. You have a burial as well. You shouldn't do. You have your father's burial as well.
I know.
What's your problem, Mama? Did he tell you he doesn't know he has to bury his father? The man is just being kind, and you're stopping him. What is your problem?
It's okay. It's okay not to worry, okay? Even if it means me borrowing for my father's burial, I will, but I just need to help, okay? I want you to be happy.
Oh, Jamike, thank you so much. Thank you. Mana, to be honest with you, if you can round it up to 1 million, it will be perfect. That way you will not start looking for change, you know. For me to return change or for you to... 1 million will be just perfect. It will make me happy.
Mama. Yes. What is this now? Has he not tried?
That's Mama, why are you like this? What is this you're doing?
What have I done? Hey. Is 1 million too much?
Okay, I'll make it 1 million.
Hey! Okay, what? That's why I talk about you.
Jamike, listen to me. You don't have to do this. Trust me, you have something bigger at hand. I think you should face that.
I know, but I need to do this to make you happy. I know, if I don't do it, who will?
Nobody is nobody will do it. Because you're the man on board now. Hey! Hey, Jamike! That is why they call you Jamike. Hey!
Maria!
Hey!
Mama, Biko. Give a gift. What did you say? I sent for her so that Your brother Paul will marry her. She's mature. This is for her.
Mommy, who's now?
Hey! What is all this?
Mama, Mama, this one will not work.
How?
It will not work, oh.
Mama, chalo. Chika! Mama, do you realize that we are age mates? She is the same age with me, Mama.
That is why I invited her. I need somebody that is mature. A full-grown woman that will take care of her boy, that will pamper her boy. Hey!
Mama! Is it not enough that you people are calling me a boy? You call me a boy and now you want to bring someone that is older than me to pamper me. Mama Kedifo, Mama with a Maggie, Mama with a Maggie. I got the white kid to call no bam, calling your malaka now, Mama why? Mama why? Hey!
Mama,
What is it? What is it?
Chika. Mama, Chika and I, we used to be in the same class. Mama, Chika almost taught me bad things. Mama, you can't walk.
But she's not a born again.
Mama Chelo, no.
She has repented.
Mama Chelo, see that her waist. Mama, if you know how many things that have entered that place, you will not say this again. Mama, you can't walk.
Mama, it will not work.
Golibe, Chika, front and back.
Hey! Mama,
you can't walk.
Cha.
Hey!
Get that card, man. He has arrived. If this is the only thing I gain from him, it's okay. He has tried.
At least you cannot manage to love him.
Why? Maka 1 million. 1 million naira. He has been sleeping with your sister all these years.
Mama,
did he pay for anything on that? Collecting the prettiest girl in the village. The only girl in university. And you're talking to me and my home. Biko.
Mama, please don't allow another ear hear this thing.
Mama, what is this? Why are you like this? This is not fair now.
What have I done? I've done nothing. The only good thing here is that my mother will be buried. She will be buried in style. It will be the talk of town.
Mama, you said it here that all you and your family needed was 600,000 to bury my grandmother. Immediately you saw Jamike, you changed it to 1 million naira. Even when he offered to give you 800,000, you were still not happy.
What's your problem? Is it your money? Is that why you wanted to spoil the deal for me? Ha! Please, after the burial, at least I will still have some change in my hand. What he's been doing to you? Has he been paying?
Mama.
For years.
Mama, you know I am still battling if I'll marry Jamike or not. Yet you made him commit himself to giving you that kind of money. Why?
That's not a problem. After all these years, you've been doing it with him. Yeah, did he pay you any money? He didn't give me. If the relationship finally scatters, everything goes with the relationship. We start another relationship. Biko, and I'm stressed. By the way, when is he paying?
Do you still have my account number? Let me send it to you so you will send it to him so he can send the money. Yes, now.
Mama, I hope when I'm ready to get married, you're not going to use me for this. Because this is trade by barter.
Okay. When she's about to get married, can you hear? This one is not even ready. You've not even passed JAMB. And I know how. She will not marry anything useful. So it's better we make the money from your side so we can be sending some to her. You think I've not been seeing you with that carpenter under hook watch? Such an ambition. A whole principal. Having a child that is looking at a carpenter? Not even a good one. The one that knocks school or Chomaka together.
What?
Ije, I'm here.
Good, you have to be here with us. I sent for you because I wanted you to be here while we discuss this. Ije Ibe, over to you. Jamike, we are here to discuss about your father's burial, which is nearby.
Oh, okay.
So after going through the process of burying a cabinet member, we have come to tell you that you will kill 2 cows for him. That's amongst other things that are in this list. You check it, you calculate, and you know how much you are going to use in burying him. Then the list. It's not even too much.
I'll buy it.
But my father just newly joined the cabinet chiefs before he passed. So why all of this? And you're asking him asking us to provide all these things for his burial? 3 million naira, mama. Where do you want me to get that kind of money from? Listen, remove his name from that What did he even get in that cabinet as a member?
A member is always a member no matter when he joins.
No, a member is not always a member. Don't tell me that. What is all this? 3 million naira.
No, we are not going to do that too. We can't do that. There are other traditional rites he would have performed while he was alive. He didn't do them. Now you are going to be the one to perform them for you.
Remove his name from this list too. What did he even get as a member of the cabinet? You're coming to tell us to provide 3 million naira for his burial and I give... Remove my father's name from this list. What? Tell them all. Remove my father's name from this list.
You would have indicated it when he was alive. Jamike, you are walking out on us?
But this money is too much. Where do you get that kind of money from?
Whether he tear list or not, he is going to perform them. It's not me that wrote it.
Iche, but that is too much. Eh? Where will he get such an amount of money? Did you tell me now? You are his brother now.
That boy.
Which boy? Hey. In fact, you say alone. How will the mayor?
Mama, that's not possible. You don't want us to go hungry after the burial.
Mama, brother is right. Since Papa died fighting for the community, can't they take care of his burial?
Thank you, Norma. Oh, Mama. Did you hear what she just said? Papa died because of this community. He died in war front because of them. And they're not even thinking of contributing anything towards his burial. Instead, they're asking us to provide 3 million and 2 cows.
My son, don't worry. Oh, I will still talk to Ichie. Let me see what they can contribute towards his burial. But if they refuse, that means we'll have to bury your father the normal way, not as a cabinet member.
Yes, so we'll bury him the normal way. Tell them not to because the thing is beginning to get me angry now. They should not provoke me, oh. They should not provoke me, oh. And they are bringing more bodies upon me. I have 2 burials to do now. I don't even know where to start. And they are bringing this their long list. Beef.
Did I hear you well? 2 burials?
Yes, Mama, you heard me right. Beke's grandmother is dead. Do you know how much I'm going to spend on that?
Brother,
are you the one to do the burial?
But you're not married to Beke yet. How can you say you have 2 burials to do?
Will you stop talking rubbish? What do you know?
No, don't start. Oh. Nah.
Get this one.
Sorry, we have heard you. Oh.
Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry now.
Amazing. I was just passing by when I saw you. I decided to find out if you're going my way. My name is Patrick.
I know you.
Oh, you do? That's a good thing. Can I give you a ride, take you somewhere for a drink so we can talk? I would like to get to know you too.
Sorry, I can't ride with you. Do you want to start to beat me up? Hope they know you came out. Please, just leave me alone. I'm okay here. Meaning, so you can't remember my face. Cynthia's lodge mate, the one your sisters got arrested just because they were dragging you in your house. Please, please, leave me alone. I am not interested.
I am sorry, okay? I am very sorry for what they did to you in the past. Please, give me a chance to make this up to you, Okay, let me take you somewhere for a drink. Let's talk, and I just want to make up for what they did to you in the past, please.
Okay, you know the year. I say I know they enter your car. Carry your car, they go. I know once. Now by force. Papa, failing me, Jare.
I'm sorry.
My son, what are we going to do now? That the money we wanted to borrow did not work out. How do we make this burial come to pass? Eh? Now because
Mama, don't worry. I will sell the car.
You sell this car when? The things we need for the burial is not yet completed. So what are you going to tell the elders when they come this evening for the meeting?
I'm even expecting them to come so that I'll know what they have decided to support us with.
Brother, we can't wait for order. Why not call your friend Osondo to help you with something?
I've called Osondo and he's trying his own best. You think things are easy? Things are difficult. Don't worry yourself, Mama. I say don't worry. We'll get all these things sorted out. Yeah?
Don't worry yourself. There's this man I intend to call Seth anyways. I've been trying his number. It's not that network has not allowed it to go through.
But I'm going to drop Baby in school this evening. So when I get there, I'll try the man's number before I come back. So to know what he can help with.
Which baby? You're going to drop her this evening? Okay, what will I tell the elders when they come for the meeting this evening? Must she go today?
I will still come back today, Mama. I need to take her in school today because she has exams on Monday. If she doesn't go today, she'll miss that paper. Yes.
Man, this
drama this evening. What is it? Guinea drama. Now. That thing and they could now. Go Mama now.
Mama, this is not fair. This is not fair. You received a lot of money from grandmother's burial. All I'm asking is that you refund Jamaica's money, or better still, lend him the money. He needs to bury his own father.
I don't know why you're talking rubbish. Lend him money. I'm not lending him anything. Look, the money that Jamaica gave us, he gave us out of his own free will. He used it to support the burial as part of the supporters club. So please don't tell me to refund anything, Biko.
Mama, yes, I agree. He did not just give us money. He came with a cow and drinks. Mama Jamaica has been very nice to us. Just support him, even if it's a little. Please.
The young man is not asking. He doesn't need the money. Eh? So why would I offer him money that he didn't ask for? He doesn't even need it, please. Why are you crying more than the bereaved?
Mama, this is hatred. This is complete hatred. I know why I'm saying this. I know why I'm telling you this, because I don't want Jamaica to use anything against me if this marriage thing does not work out.
Biko, give him his money. Sister, even you said you have a problem.
Choose your struggle. Are you still getting married to him or not? If you don't want to marry him, then let him know.
Aloma, please, take your time. Take your time. Don't I have the right to change my mind to something that doesn't give me internal happiness? Eh? That is why I hate it each time Mama collects money from him. I have said it before and I'm saying it again.
Each time I remember Jamaica's temper, it gives me high fever.
Just look at what he did during grandmother's burial. He almost fought the use of this village. I don't even know how to tell him this. Mama Biko, Ejinchukwu Ayogi.
Give him back his money. That is all I'm asking. Please. Please, you're talking too much.
Refund which money? Let me even ask you a question. Since this boy has been dating you, how many years running now? Has he given me anything for sleeping with you? Or hasn't he been sleeping with you? No, quick on Abasa. He's been sleeping with you and he hasn't paid anything. So don't even talk to me about refunding the money, because I will not.
Does he pay you to sleep with you?
Why don't you come to the man like I told you?
One I was given the insult of my life today. Izio.
By who?
By Onyekwano. By some girl I just ran into on my way today and decided to talk to her. This girl insulted me.
Frank, there is nothing this girl did not tell me. She told me the story of my life. One money. And do you know why it happened? Because of my sisters. Because of the way they command me around. They have so brought me down to the point where every girl in this town can now look down on me and talk to me how they like. Eh? Can you imagine that nonsense?
I warned you. You see the reason why I told you to brace up. Be the man. Take charge of your life. Your sisters love you, yes, no doubt. But stop letting them to control you for God's sake.
Frank, I have done that. I have said no to all these insults. I have done that already. I have done that! I've told them. This is the last time it will happen, no? The very last time. I cannot continue taking this insult from my sister. Can you afford it? Eh? I even reported to my mother. Can you believe she supported them? Yes, my mother supported them.
Really? Just calm down. Take your decision. It's okay.
Nah, I'm not taking this anymore. I need them to stop meddling in my affairs with my women. And I won't learn it. Eh? They brought me so low. Every little girl now talks to me anyhow. Biko, just...
Jamike, after our last meeting, Igwe sent us with this. Take it now. That's a check of 150,000 naira.
For the burial?
Yes. That is the help the community can render. Please, take it and manage it.
This is rubbish.
And also, remember to buy the necessary items as tradition demands. Because that day, the elders will eat and drink.
Inside this 150,000 naira, can this even buy one cow? I don't get it. I thought you people were going... Excuse me. Hello, Aloma. Yes, I'm home. I'm with some elders. Now? Is she ready? Okay. Tell her I'm coming to pick her. Now I'm coming right away. Yes. My elders, we have to continue this meeting tomorrow. I have to take my baby back to school this evening.
Jamike, how could you do that when we still have things to discuss?
I said we are done for today. Tomorrow we'll continue.
And you have a meeting with the whole cabinet tomorrow morning.
Which baby is he talking about? Which baby is he talking about? Omotagonwa.
His girlfriend, if you don't know.
Ah! Come on, boy, baby.
Mama, I have been saying this. Please give him the money. He has his own burial to do. Give him his money.
Please, Beke, don't tell me that nonsense again. Kefemi, what do you mean by he has his own burial? If he does not have money to bury his father, let him put him in the ground. Then when the money comes, or please, did I beg him to give me money?
Mama, you did not.
Ayolomia?
You did not beg him, but this is not fair.
It's not fair.
It's not fair. Mama, why are you sounding like this? Why are you saying this?
Why am I saying it?
Mama, it's not...
Mama.
Hey! Jamike!
Oh. Thank you, Kedu. My love, we have to be going now, okay? So I can come back early. You might have to come back today.
Are you sure you can make it back to the village today?
Of course. So I just said to come go drop you in school, then come back because we have to continue that meeting. It's very important.
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi! Billy, I was saying, Uncle.
Hey, what a milli.
It's 1 million draws of pure water. You know, I've been working so hard. I've been so busy. I've not had time to take anything.
You can go tell me Coco.
Coco, I'm on solve here. Jadi sugar. So, you might go, but if I had a bottle of wine, it would just clear my throat and my chest would be clear. I don't know who would even buy that kind of thing for me. Yeah?
What do you need a bottle of wine for? Moreover, we have some bottles of wine left inside the house. Go in, take one of them, please.
You don't even know the difference between non-alcoholic and alcoholic. Cause was there, but non-alcoholic. I need the alcoholic one to clear the chest. It's okay, God will always provide.
Don't worry, Mama. This is about 10,000.
Hey.
That's the only money I have here.
Hey, nah.
But what will happen is when I'm coming back, I will withdraw from the ATM.
Oh, nah, God bless you. Thank you.
Oh, I will withdraw.
Are you sure you?
No, I will withdraw from the ATM.
You will withdraw?
Yes.
Mama, Mama, I don't like this.
What?
I don't like this. Moreover, you heard him. That's the last money he has with him. He's going to drop me in school. What do you expect him to give to me?
He will go to ATM now and withdraw before dropping you. No, which ATM? And then phone transfer.
Mobile transfer.
Up you're too much.
Okay, Kaijebe. I'm going to tell you the thing. I'm going to tell you
you wouldn't know my brand. Let me buy it myself. Don't worry, I know where to. I got a principal camp on to the Orlando.
Okay, Mama.
Mom is more than 10,000. Chalopano. Fabani go cut off. 15. This boy, your mother, Grego. Apollo. Hey.
Ugodia, you have to caution your son. How could he abandon the elders here and left to carry his girlfriend back to school?
Ichie, please, I am sorry. I am very sorry. Please help me talk to the elders. Oh, I'll talk to him.
This is getting out of hand. My brother's love for Beke is making him misbehave. He's not doing the right thing.
Yes. How could he kill a cow for that girl's grandmother's burial when he has not buried his own father? Huh? And his late father, also, never killed a cow to bury his own father. Don't you know it's an abomination? An abomination!
My pastor, my fasting and praying, you're telling me that God will not marry me again.
It's okay. It's okay. I know how the thing is paining you. It's okay. I'm sorry. But you were there the very day I was arguing with him and his sisters about this issue. And I wouldn't want a boy, my son, to marry you today and tomorrow you'll be complaining that he is treating you bad. I don't want it that way. Okay? I know it's painful. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. I am still alive. A boy is my son. But I'm telling you that never you lose hope. He will still return back to you and pay your dowry and marry you. Mechono. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. It's okay. Once you go to Mechono again. But have this. It's okay. Chi. Have this. He asked me to give you this. That you should have this money. He's giving you this money to compensate you for all the good works you have been doing for me. But I am giving you my word that you should become a boy will marry you. I will try as much as I can to make sure he marries you. I know. When you say love is blind, love is not longer blind now. It's okay. Chano. Hi.
Baby, you need to calm down. Calm down. Stop telling me to calm down.
I have been calling his number. It is not connecting. I have to make sure he is home.
Maybe he's busy. When he settles, he will call you. Didn't you tell him not to go?
I did. I asked him not to go, but he said he had a meeting with the elders in the morning.
You text I love this guy too much.
Not really. But I do care about him. I'm still contemplating if I will marry him or not. But my mother keeps making things too hard for me.
Why? Is it because of the cow he killed or the 1 million?
Everything. My mother says I will not marry him, yet she keeps collecting things from him. I don't... In fact, I'm confused.
My dear, you've not promised to marry him. And I will not advise you marry him because of everything he's been doing for you. Your happiness is far better than all these material things. And after all, he's been eating your apple.
Now you sound like my mother.
Yes, now. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, that reminds me. Our boy asked after you.
He did? You're sure?
Mama, I'm finished too.
Oh, give me Maggie!
Mama, I'm finished.
Brother, what is it?
Hey! My car, my phones, my money, gone.
Chimo.
Gone, oh.
Chimo! Hey. Chimo! Hey! Ah! Nah, who didn't enjoy you?
My car is gone, and what was the motto?
Your car is gone like that? Ah! Who did I steal his own? Who did I take her own? Who is doing this to me, Chimo? Ah! Ah!
Who is doing this to me? Who did I offend? Who is doing this to me? They just took the car, took the phones, even the money I withdrew. I was going to pay the DJ and other people for preparation. They took everything.
Your car gone like that?
You could have stayed back in the city and come back tomorrow morning.
I'm a manga from Duri. I'm a nepeli manager knows I'm
Kakuke. Akuke. Akuke.
Hey!
Ha!
Hey, Madam Agnes, please help me. Let my son take this exam. I will pay his school fees soon.
That is what most parents say when they come to beg. And at the end of the day, they will not pay anything.
Hey, I will pay. Instead, let me give you something that will worth the amount of money for you to hold on to. When I bring the money, I will take it back, please.
Hi. Hey, I know how I got to where I am today. I didn't just jump from anywhere and become what I am. You see my 2 children?
Hey.
I trained them single-handedly. So I know what it means when a parent is struggling and trying to pay school fees. Okay.
Big.
Because of the way you helped during my mother's burial, I'll pay your son's school.
Hey!
Thank you very much, Chimo.
You don't have to hold my waist. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's all right.
God bless you.
Whining girl, she want to eat everything. Whining girl, she want to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this?
I'm on my way to school. I don't want to hear any bad news.
Mama, it's Jamike. Jamike was robbed last night. His money, everything in his car.
Thank God they did not take his life.
Mama, is that all you're saying?
Am I the robber?
Wasn't it your daughter he went to drop in school last night that this thing happened? Oh. He even gave you 1 million naira.
Did anybody force him to drop my daughter? Hey, he gave me 1 million, so? Yeah, listen, go and do what your sister asked you to do. After that, you go inside and do the one I asked you to do. Then you sit and study for JAMB. You know now, you're not as smart as your sister. Eh? So you need to study. What
is your problem? Because what do you consider vice? Keep it up on Nisi, each year boy say on no nana.
Let the city girl he wants to marry fetch water for his mom.
It's well, sure. But me, I was wondering. Auntie Chika, I was seriously wondering how brother boy will leave the city. All those, what do they call themselves? All those small girls with big God, yes. All those small girls with big God. All those pino girls. Now, you know what I'm talking about. Fresh, sweet girls. How you leave all of them in the city and come back to this village to come and marry my auntie. You don't even look at me, safe.
Don't allow me to slap you. What do you mean by that? Is the city girl more bitter than I am? You need to see me because I've given my life to Christ. You need to see me during that time. Chika la hot. Excuse you. Don't even say that again, please.
Anyway, she her boy's mother used to dash you money. Hey, carry the water to her house for the money now.
Is it about
Are you not a child of God?
Is it about the money? I'm not interested in the money. I want the marriage, not the money. Are you not a child of God? Are you a child of devil? Have you gone to this church without giving offering? You need the money, I need the money too. So please.
Sorry.
I really don't know why this will happen to Jamike. Why would such a thing befall him?
That is bad. But please don't worry yourself too much. I know he will overcome it. Only God knows why it happened.
I'm telling you.
If only he had listened to you, not to
Yes. That is one thing I don't like about him. He is too stubborn. I know this whole thing happened because of me, but the issue now is that I can't even go to the village to see him.
No. We have to get ready and leave. We have exams and we are late. There's no time. Hurry up.
You see? How could you have left the city that late? Eh? Ugodia, I told you that burial goes with a lot of temptation.
Ajay, it's okay now. It's okay. This is no time to blame him. He's made a mistake already. You could be there or this year. We must flog it. Jamike, please prepare and go to the police and make entry.
What happens to his meeting with the elders this morning?
Uncle, what do you even care about? The meeting or my well-being?
I care about both. Eh? If you had listened to me, this wouldn't have happened. And if you had not taken that foolish girl back, this wouldn't have occurred.
Yeah.
Who did you just call a foolish girl?
Hey!
Who did you call a foolish girl? What is called a foolish girl?
Your son is killing me. Hey!
Now get out of this compound.
Okay, sorry, please.
Out!
Hey, sorry. Hey, you're a mad. Hey!
Why would you open his mouth to call her a foolish girl?
Is that what?
Oh, why enemy and his son?
Why will you blame him like that?
Hey!
Only one foolish.
Hey!
That's why you hear us keep your corrupt now.
Hey!
Around your way. Ha! You're not putting your boy. Okay, around your way.
Nancy.
Abba, good morning.
Good morning. But I would like it better if you come apart.
Oh, sorry, Pat.
Thank you very much. So how are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Yes.
You called me that you were coming, but your baby's not here.
Well, I know her lodge, so I wasn't looking for her. I'm actually here to see your roommate, Becky.
Oh,
Is she around?
Yes, she will soon be coming now. We're leaving for school.
Babe!
Did you see my
Becky. Hi.
Abo is there to see you.
Yes, how are you?
See me. I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, I can see you girls are going to school. Can I please give you a ride? She said yes.
If you have the time.
I have the whole day. Thank you. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
What kind of thing is this? I filled the water thing. I checked my oil. What kind of embarrassment is this? Why would I be suffering like this? Yes, the guy is old. Hi.
If only my daughter had agreed to marry Chief Ekweme, I won't be here suffering like this. What kind of embarrassment is this? Can't know if I'm mad again.
Madam Principal, your car has filled this afternoon.
Let me just warn you now. If you don't mind the way you talk, I will send your daughter out of school for not paying school fees.
Agnes, what is it? Why must you threaten me with sending my daughter away from school? Is she the only one owing school fees? Are you the owner of the school? If it was to be when Okonkwo had a Abuja connection, I will sack you from this your job.
It's not possible. You can't sack me. See, I come to school like Kiribam. All I need now is to get home and rest after a hard day's work. Because I don't have time for you.
You see your life? You educated people always think that people like us are foolish. You don't even know I can help you start your car.
You can help me start.
Wham!
In your drunken state. Alcohol has covered your eyes. You can't even see the wires even if you try. Neither would you see me.
See, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. I can fix this car. Do you know what I was doing all those days when I was in Abuja? It's not drinking. Listen, I was first class mechanic. Yes. I repaired the cars of the former presidents, senators, ex-ministers. Okay. You not think you're at top of the world. Stay here. Stay here.
Help me fix this car. See, if you fix this car for me, I will pay half of your daughter's school fees.
Give me money to drink beer. The school fees, let it be one side.
Okay, I will add beer to it.
Why did you not start this thing since? This is what you would have done since now. You never been able to get. What did you say is wrong with the car?
I just stopped.
There's nothing bothering this car now. Enter the car, go and start it. Enter the car.
But you've not done anything yet.
Don't worry yourself, just enter the car. I'm not at the front. What did I tell you? Did I not tell you?
Money that wins did not touch your brain, no.
See you later.
See, Okoye, he must fulfill all the rights. If you like, let him throw his car into River Niger. See, she had the guts to walk out on us yesterday.
My own anger is that he nearly killed me, Okoye. We must make that boy to pay.
He must pay?
I don't even care to know if he's hot-tempered or not. If he challenges me, I'm going to kill him. He's just lucky I was not in the meeting.
Please, my elders, what do we do now that he did not come?
We'll go. We are going already. On the day of his father's burial, we will not see the cabinet members. And we will make sure he doesn't receive any token from the community. See, Jamike must apologize to us, hot temper or not.
He must. He must.
Please, my fellow elders, I know that he almost choked me to death. But please, let us still try to help him because of old soldier. Just because of old soldier's sake.
See, Okoye, if you want to help your brother's son, go and talk to him now. There is still time. Okoye, it's not late yet. Anakwam.
Hey! Mama, I have to rush to the police and make some reports.
It is important. Oh, them back. So they will help us look for your car. Look how this is going.
Hey! Ofumoto.
Hey.
Osondo, you have heard?
Nam, I'm fine. You have seen the problem. From one problem to the other.
But Diego, I didn't even know you people have heard it already.
Heard what?
What kind of question is that? Was I not the one that was robbed?
He was robbed yesterday.
Who was robbed?
Sondo, what kind of question is that? I was robbed yesterday, my car was taken away, my phones, everything.
Even
Is that why you are here?
Chineke.
His car was taken. Everything.
Chineke. Hey! Your car was robbed. No wonder I've been trying to call you on phone. I couldn't get you.
I tried reaching you too. Your phone wasn't going through.
Hey, Mbano. I can't say this. I can't tell you why I'm here. How am I going to break this news? This is this thing is.
What do you mean? How are you going to tell me why you are here? Can't you say why you are
Something
here?
happened. Something happened. I'm hearing another one.
Osondo, what happened?
What happened?
Hey, Osondo. What happened now? Something happened.
Nancy, it's obvious it's not going to work between Uloma and I anymore. I've tried to make your friend understand, but she doesn't even listen to me. She said she doesn't want again, but I'm not giving up. I am not. Nancy, please, I need you to help me and talk to her. I know she listens to you. I have liked that girl since I have loved her since the very first time I set my eyes on her. Bikun.
Pat, I know. But I told you she's seen someone and she loves him at that. I don't think it will work.
No. I mean, it's nothing. I know she's very beautiful, so I do not expect her not to have someone trying to. You know, every guy would want a beautiful girl like her. But the truth is this. I care about her more than all these guys. So, I am not giving up. Please, help me. I am not going to rest until I have her as my own, like, all to myself.
Okay, Pat, you know what I will do? I will try, but please, don't keep your hopes high.
Nancy, to let you know how serious I am, and that I will not back down for any reason. If you help me do this, if you help me make this work, I will give you 200,000 naira.
What? You will give me...
You heard me. 200,000. For you alone, it's not like it's for you two to share. I mean, she will get hers differently. Just for you alone. You see, you're smiling. Okay, now, you can imagine how grateful she will be when I start spoiling her too. She'll be very grateful to you. Please.
Don't worry at all. You know what? Just leave everything to me.
Okay. I am counting on you.
Sure.
And your check will be ready.
Oh, okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
I'll call you.
Okay.
All right.
Why, my friend? Yes, shop. Hey! The fire started from his shop. Oh. Before he enters OK shop, we tried to stop it. No way. Everything in your shop got burnt. Only your shop. Hey! How?
Why?
Mama, this is not ordinary.
Hey!
Just yesterday, brother's car was stolen. And now his shop.
Why, God, why?
This is not ordinary.
It's okay.
Why did only my shop get burnt? What did I do?
We don't know.
Hey! Mama, they have turned me to a poor man overnight too.
Hey!
You mean he said that?
That guy has fallen for you and he means well.
I like him. But you know about Jamike and I.
I don't know what to say. But if you ask me, I will tell you he's the best man for you. He will treat you well and he will give you marital peace of mind.
Nancy, I'm scared. I'm having this cold chills down my spine. How would Jamike feel about this?
You guys only dated. Did you promise him marriage? Yes, I know he had it in mind to marry you, but he's not the right man for you.
He's not the right man for me. After 2 years of dating, what do I say to him?
I beg. Come on, 2 years. People have dated 10 years and they didn't get married. Just better start looking for something that will make both of you fight. Or else one day he will wake up and kill you. And they will say it's because he has a hot temper.
And see, that is what scares me. And that is why my mind is still not settled in marrying him. I don't know what to do about this. I like Pat. He's handsome, he's kind, he's gentle. In fact, he's my perfect kind of man. Even though some people think he's not man enough. But I like him that way, I prefer him. And I'm not telling you this for you to relate it to him.
No, why would I do that?
Wanyinka, she want to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of mama be this? I tire. She want to chop everything. I tire. She want to eat everything. I tire.
Yeah. This one you're seated here, what's the problem?
Ma, you won't believe this. Do you know Jamike's shop got burned?
Hey! How? When did this happen?
I don't know. His friend came here and he told me, so I had to go to his house so I can give him the phone to talk to sister.
Oh, you have become the communication network. Which one are you? MTN, Glo or Airtel?
Mama, they couldn't even talk because he was crying.
A big boy crying. Crying over what? Besides, are you trying to tell me that Jamike cannot even afford a cheap phone? A phone of about 1,500, the type that they couple at Headbridge or Freya?
Mama, this is somebody that lost his car, his phone, his money because of your daughter.
Anyway, are you saying this? Anyway, if Jamike likes, let him lose everything. It's none of my business. Because if you're talking because of that money, I cannot refund the money. As a matter of fact, the money is not even there. Jamike may lose, what do they lose? It no concern me. Biko, go inside and prepare lunch for me. I'm very hungry. You're taking your time to go and prepare lunch.
Let me go and call her.
Please go and prepare my lunch or see let me go and call her.
Don't you think he'll say that he got me so cheaply? Aloma, what is keeping you?
What? When? Oh no, this is not happening. This is not happening. Where are you? Jesus Christ. Is mom back? Okay, you know what? Just stay right there, okay? Don't move, I'll call you back.
Alright, okay. What happened? Chamike.
His shop got burnt to ashes.
My God! How? When did it happen?
I don't know. Aloma just called me that a friend of his came in to inform him this afternoon.
My God, that is bad. I feel for him, but why is it happening to him at this point?
Nancy, I have to go and see him.
No, you're not going anywhere. You have exams. You can't go and see him now. You know what? You can go and see him over the weekend.
Ugo dear, I will not follow you home. Your son insulted me upon that. I still pleaded with the elders to have pity on him.
My husband. Nai. Ichiem. You're not doing it for my son. You are doing it for me. Remember my late husband and the relationship that existed between both of you. On account of that, please forgive my son. Pardon him. You know he has anger issue, has anger problem.
I am tired of that. I am tired of that. Is he the only one that has Obioko? Is he the only one that has temper problem?
No, but his own is too much.
Listen to me. Your son has committed an abomination and the nemesis has come after him.
Ichi, how? What did he do?
Out of love, your son killed a cow for the burial of Agnes's mother. When his father never killed a cow for his own father. He has not even buried old soldier. And he has killed a cow for another.
Ichi, could it be why he's going through all these problems now?
Not could it be. It is. First, he has to appease the gods. It's no longer the elders, so it's now the whole community. And all I can do for you is to find out what he will use to appease the gods. As for your home, I will not come. I'm still suffering from what he did to me yesterday. Hey.
Ha!
Patrick, he decided to bring me home.
Okay, Patrick. Mr. Decider, you're welcome. No, Chai.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Name of Mama, you're a handsome boy. You have khaki in your hand. You came with car. Of course, you said you decided to bring her home. I thought maybe you used keke. Wait! What kind of car? I hope he has AC.
Just a small camera.
But is there space at the back for him? Ay, Nasi!